Good morning, sir. Warm greetings. I am A. Priyadarshan from grade 6. The topic for the show is energy conservation. Energy can neither be created nor be destroyed, but it can be utilized better and yet conserved for the future. Here you could see three people using three different vehicles. This increases the utilization of petrol and also this increases the rate of pollution. In order to reduce the energy usage and decrease the pollution rate, people should prefer carpooling technique. Carpooling allows people make use of public transport for their travel. By that, if these three people prefer a bus, it would be helpful in reducing air pollution and also the energy get utilized efficiently. If people prefer public modes of transport, we could save our energy resources and leave a better world for our future generation. Thank you, sir.
Hi, today we are going to see about energy conservation by a puppet show. Do you know about energy conservation?
No. Can you explain about that?
Yeah, sure. Energy is a conserved quantity. The law of conservation of energy states that energy can be converted in forms not be created or destroyed. SI unit of energy is joules. Okay, now let's see about energy conservation.
This looks very interesting. Can you tell more about conservation of energy?
Yeah, with increase in population, the consumption of energy has increased. Fossil fuels are being used up at a rapid rate. It's one's duty to save fuel for a future generation. The economical use of energy is known as energy conservation. We need to specially conserve energy obtained from fossil fuels. Here are following tips to save energy. Do not use scooters or cars for a short distance. We can walk or use cycle for a short distance.
Of course, I also follow that. Cycling and walking is a good exercise.
Yes, there is a fact that we can save energy while cooking food.
Yeah, I have heard that using of pressure cooker for cooking food uses less energy.
Do not waste drinking water. Repair leaking taps and tanks. Wasting water means wasting energy. To pump water out, electrical energy is required.
Is there any way to conserve energy?
Yes, use
Fans, lights,
air conditioners, room heaters, coolers, etc. only when absolutely necessary. Manufacturers of all materials require energy, so we should not waste materials like cloth, glass, paper, plastic, etc. Tap more of renewable sources of energy like solar energy, flowing water, wind, and biomass. Solar energy is a radiant light and heat from the sun that is harnessed using a range of ever-evolving technologies such as solar heating, solar thermal energy, solar architecture, molten salt power plants, and artificial photosynthesis. Hydropower or water power is a power derived from the energy of fast-running water, which may be harnessed for useful purposes. Hydropower is fueled by water. Hydropower is the most efficient way to generate electricity. Wind power or wind energy is the use of wind to provide mechanical power through wind turbines to turn electric generators for electrical power. Wind power is a popular, sustainable, renewable source of power that has a much smaller impact on the environment compared to burning fossil fuels. Biomass energy is energy generated or produced by living or once-living organisms. The most common biomass materials used for energy are plants, such as corn, soy, etc. The energy from these organisms can be burned to create heat or converted into electricity.
Thank you, friends.
Dear of grade 6, today I am going to do puppet show on energy conservation. The characters are Rohan, Tomu, Jack and Anthony. Once there lived 4 friends named Rohan, Tomu, Jack and Anthony. They belonged to a moderate family. They used to go to their guest house daily. There they switched on the lights such as tube lights, pendant lights, LED lights, fans, AC at the daytime. The 4 friends spent their time as they wished. Rohan used to watch TV and Anthony would hear songs in the radio. In another room, Jack would switch on the home theater's projector and would see movies. Tomu would play games online. The days passed and the salary for the workers in the guest house increased. Electricity bill increased. They were not able to buy food, which was very costly due to the increase in the rate of vegetables. Soon they did not have money to spend for their needs such as food, petrol for their vehicles, etc. Then they realized their mistakes and they promised each other not to waste the energy. After that day, they were not going to any resorts, guest houses, etc. But they met each other at their own houses. Even in their houses, they did not on any unwanted lights, fans, gadgets. Instead, they sat together and watched movies and opened the windows to get natural air and light. They became good and lived happily ever. Moral: conservation of energy may save you from poverty and death too. Thank you.
Hey everyone, I'm Tina.
Hey everyone, I'm Tyrus.
We are going to present a puppet show. The puppet show's theme is energy conservation. We have 3 people in our show. The first one is Mr. Sun. The second one is Mr. Wind. And the third one is Mr. Core. Let's welcome them.
Hi, I'm Mr. Sun. I'm the renewable source of energy. I give solar energy to all other planets and living things in the earth. My solar energy is transferred into different kinds of energy for different purposes. Humans transfer my solar energy into electrical energy by solar panels. My energy did not get exhausted. It's time for us to invite our next guest. Here's Mr. Wind. He's the renewable source of energy. It's time for us to welcome him, Tina.
Yes, of course.
Hi, Mr. Wind. Can you please explain about you? Hi, Taurus. I'm Wind. I'm the renewable source of energy. Like Mr. Sun, my energy is also transformed into many forms. My energy is mainly transformed into electrical energy. This electrical energy is mainly used for humans. This electricity is becoming basic needs of humans. Oops, I forgot Mr. Windmill. When I blow near him, he will rotate and the energy will be stored in the windmill. This will be later transformed into electrical energy. This is then supplied to the homes. Thank you, Mr. Wind, for joining in our program. We learned the importance of wind energy. Is it, Tina?
Yes.
Let us invite our next guest, Miss Cole. Hi, Miss Cole. Can you explain about yourself?
Yes, of course. I'm Miss Cole. I'm a non-renewable source of energy. I'm only limited. It takes millions of years to build me. are made up of dead plants and animals buried under. I am black in color. There are many forms of mine, such as coal tar, which is used for roads, and many more. My brothers and sisters are the fossil fuels. They are used as fuels. They are also limited like mine. They too are non-renewable sources. As we are used in the many parts of the society, we are becoming very endangered now. So use this carefully and wisely.
Thank you, Miss School. I hope you all understand about the importance of renewable and non-renewable source of energy in our society.
From now onwards, we'll conserve and save both these resources. So here are some methods how to conserve the renewable and non-renewable resources by ourselves in our homes and the society.
We have to switch off the light whenever it's not in use so that we can conserve the electrical energy. Nowadays, the electrical energy is indeed. There is a huge responsibility for us to conserve it. We must conserve the energy so that something will remain for our future generations.
We all know that the huge deal nowadays is water. Water scarcity is beginning to become a common thing. So there is a huge need for us to conserve the water. We have to conserve the water so that there is something left for the future people too.
Let us all conserve the resources so that something will remain for our future to use. Let us all make the earth green. The earth is now full of pollutions. Let us all clean the pollutions through our acts. Let us all change the earth very pleasant place for the living organisms to live. Conservation of energy also protects the environment. Conserve energy for the brighter future. If energy conserved, life is preserved there.
Another step that we have to take to conserve the energy is to use bicycle for short distances. We have to save the fuel, which is a non-renewable resource, for the future. We have to go green and save the fuel for a brighter future. Save the fuel today and secure your future tomorrow. The less you burn the fuel, the more you will earn. Fuel is like time. Once gone, it'll never come back.
Now it's the time for us to think, act and save. Conserve the energy now to preserve it later. If not now, when are you going to save the energy? If not you, then who is going to save the energy? Save energy, save future, save earth.
Save energy and think that the world is in your hands. Save energy and make it a habit. You have the power to save the energy, so use it wisely. You will not know the true worth of energy until it's gone from you. Recycle the waste, save the energy, conserve the resources, and preserve the nature of the world. I hope that you all will remember that today's wastage is tomorrow's shortage.
Just imagine the world without energy.
Will it be good? For sure, it'll not be good.
Live green, save green.
Save the energy today for better survival of tomorrow.
Heal the earth now to heal the future later.
I hope that you came to know a lot about energy from this video. So let's invite all the people again for a mass ceremony. Let's welcome them again for a farewell thing. So hey Mr. Cole, hey Mr. Ben, and where is Mr. Sun? Yes, he is here. So hey Mr. Sun, I'm going to bid a farewell for you all. So okay, see you later, bye. Thank you everyone for watching this video till the end. I hope that after this you will save the energy.
Thank you everyone for giving this precious opportunity to me.
Hey Nobita, where did you went this much time at the morning? You went at 8 o'clock AM and you're returning home at 9:30 PM. Where did you went this much time? Mom, first I went to shopping mall, and then I went to theater, and then I went to park, and then...
Hey Nobita, first you have to save your energy. Come inside the home. I want to talk to you something about energy conservation. Come inside the home. Hey Nobita, first you have to save your energy. If you save your energy from now itself, you will gain more profit in your future. First you have to don't want to save your energy. First save even the electricity energy. Then only you will get more power. If you save your energy, then there will be more profit in your future. Just quote.
Okay, Mom. Hereafter I will save my energy. Thank you, and thank you for your advice.
Hey Nobita, today also did you get your advice from your mother? Yes. How did you know? The regular thing which is happening in our house. First you have to save your energy. Yes. Then only you'll get more profit in your future. Yes, save your energy. That only my mom also told. That also you are telling. What is this Doraemon? Our mother is telling for your profit only. Don't keep it as advice. Just keep it as the profit for you. Okay?
Hello, welcome to Dakshan's Puppet Show. Today's topic is energy conservation. The theme is planets for discussing how to save energy on Earth. Let's kick off the show. How are you? I'm not just fine. Hi, buddy. I'm good. Anything interesting? You. What Energy Conservation Day is celebrated on 14th December? Yeah, I know it. It is the day for building up the awareness for need for energy conservation, energy efficient, careful energy use. I think Saturn it knows better than me. Where is Saturn? I am here on the dudes. Let me tell you about energy compensation. It's an effort made to reduce the compensation of energy by using less energy savings. Hey Mars, tell about energy. Here I go. Energy can be changed from one form to another, but it cannot be created or destroyed. Energy is obtained from saved resource. Humans shall save it. I am having an important point. Non-renewable resources like coal, natural gas, oil, and nuclear, once they are used up, they cannot replace. Now Earth tell us how to conserve energy. Humans can conserve energy by the following ways. Turn off TV, radio, and monitor when not in use. Switch off the LED bulbs. Turn off the water tap after the water usage. Use natural light and solar power in school, college, etc. It's okay, dudes. Always we are friends. Bye bye. Tata. See you.
Hello everyone, I'm Utra, and today I'm going to tell a story about two different people, Benny and Timmy, and about their lifestyles. This is Benny. I'm very lazy and I don't care about nature. For example, when I brush, I always let the water flow. I never switch off the light when I leave the room, and I also run a factory that lets out huge amounts of smoke, and I don't bother to grow plants. Do you think my lifestyle is good for the nature? Now let's go to Timmy. Hi guys, let me show you my effort to save energy and nature. I have invested in clean and renewable energy, an energy that does not deplete or cause harm to our nature. I have a car that uses solar energy as fuel, and also my house has solar panels to heat my geyser. And also, I have recently built a few windmills and they generate electricity from wind. How cool is that? And for drying my clothes, I use line drying instead of electric dryer. And I also follow the 3 R's of nature: reduce, reuse, and recycle. I recycle my boxes by keeping my utensils and other things in it. I reuse my glass bottles by growing plants in them. How amazing is that? Now, which lifestyle would you choose? Think and decide.
Friends, I am Narendra DS of grade 7. I am going to present a puppet show on energy conservation. The characters in this puppet show are John and Elda. John and Elda are good friends. They are studying in the same class. One day, Elda was sitting lonely and looking sad. John inquired about her sadness. Elda said, "Today my parents were worrying about EB bill. It is continuously increasing." John said, "Don't worry. One fine holiday, you come to my home. There you have a surprise." Elda visited John's home one day. That home is a little away from the city. It is a small house surrounded by a beautiful small garden. In that house, the roof is covered with metal plates. Elda asked about it. John said, "They are not metal plates, they are solar panels." Elda, "What? Solar panels?" John said, "Yes. We are using solar panels for most of our electrical needs like light, fan, water pump, UPS and charger of electric vehicles. The house is also designed to receive good light and air during daytime, so our EB bill is very less." On hearing this, Elda is really surprised. It is an eye-opener visit. She promised John that she will tell her parents about this solar power waste usage and energy conservation. Thank you.
Hi friends, today we are going to perform Witcher Puppet Show on energy conservation.
Welcome back home, my son. Have you ate your lunch or didn't?
Today I have ate my lunch fully, Mom.
Go and take bath. Today I have made your favorite snack.
Okay, Mom. I will be back in few minutes.
What you have learned in school today?
Mom, today I have learned about energy conservation.
Okay, then tell me, what is energy conservation?
The energy conservation means the process of saving electricity.
Very good, my son.
Thank you, Mom.
Okay, I will teach you why we should conserve energy and how to conserve it.
Okay, Mom.
We should conserve energy because it is very essential for our life. The energy producing resources like coal, fuel, etc. are non-renewable sources. It is not available. It will be difficult us to live. So we have to use it carefully. I will teach you 5 ways to conserve energy. We have stove fans and lights if they are not needed. Instead of electricity, we can use solar panels because it is very cheaper than natural resource. We have to use less electricity. Don't high electricity using things and force is dangerous and very powerful. We have to use electric appliances in a limited time.
Okay, Mom. Now I understood and I will follow these rules every day.
Thank you, my son.